Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very simple and everyday recipe which is very tasty and healthy as well. Tadka dal or lentil with a very flavorful seasoning. As this is an everyday recipe and it contributes significantly to the proteins in a vegetarian diet, I am sure every household has slight variation of this tasty dal. Today I am going to use the split pigeon pea lentil or tur dal for this, but if you want you can add little chana dal or the chickpea lentil as well. And also the consistency of this dal can be adjusted according to your liking. So let us look at the ingredients for my version of tadka dal. 1 cup pigeon pea lentil or tur dal which I have washed couple of times in water and then drained away all the water. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, 2 to 3 green chilies vertically slit, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic and 1.5 teaspoon grated ginger, a small bunch of coriander leaves chopped for garnishing, 1 small tomato finely chopped, 5 to 6 curry leaves, salt by taste and oil 4 teaspoons. First we have to pressure cook this tur dal, and for this I am adding water to it. The quantity of water is twice the quantity of tur dal, and because the dal was 1 cup in quantity I am adding 2 cups of water to this. Now we have to pressure cook for 3 whistles, and after 3 whistles remember to reduce the flame and keep it on for 5 more minutes and then turn off. Only then it will be cooked soft. After the pressure was released, I removed it from the pressure cooker, and now this cooked tur dal is ready. Let's keep it aside for some time. Heat some oil in a pot and add mustard seeds. After they splutter, add cumin seeds, hing or asafoetida, turmeric powder, green chilies, curry leaves, grated ginger and chopped garlic. Stir fry for 2 minutes till the garlic becomes little brownish in color. Once all this has been nicely stir fried, add all the cooked dal to this. Now let us add little water to this. The consistency of the dal can be kept by your choice. If you want it thinner, then add more water. If you want it thick, then add less quantity of water. Now add salt, also the chopped tomatoes, and now keep the flame on medium. Keep stirring intermittently and allow this to boil. After it starts boiling, turn off the gas and add finely chopped coriander for garnishing. So this yummy and delicious tadka dal is now ready. You can serve it with roti, fulka, naan or with rice. Enjoy making this yummy, delicious and healthy recipe at home. Please don't forget to post questions or comments, and after watching the video remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.